now. There's something on my face. You're all looking at me. Anyways, welcome to the first episode of How to Hide a Body. Anybody Gardening Hour. I'm your host, Anarchy. That's me. Now tonight, we're going to answer a few questions from my audience. People ask me, Anarchy? And I say, yes. How do you make the best fertilizer? Well, I find Kardashian and Marilyn Dennis fans, pesky neighbors, ex-girlfriends, sometimes ex-boyfriends, sometimes both. My favorite traditional, governmental, and political members. Why? Because they're full of the best bullshit. People ask me, Anarchy? And I say, yes. What type of tools are best for gardening? Well, best you go down to your Canadian Tire store, get yourself 100 disposable garbage bags, some ties, over-the-counter ether, and a rubber mallet. Or just ask for the Weinstein kit. People ask me, Anarchy? And I say, yes. What is the best time of the day?
I want to keep things...
Ties, over-the-counter ether, and a rubber mallet. Or just ask for the Weinstein kit. People ask me, Anarchy? And I say, yes. What is the best time of the day to dig your garden bed? Well, I have to tell you, the best time is between 12:30 a.m. and 4:30 a.m. Because moonlight does wonders for roses. People ask me, Anarchy?
Yes?
Good, no one's getting penalized later. So, people ask me, Anarchy?
Yes?
How big, how deep, and how long, how wide should I dig my flower beds? I always find that to get the best nutrients for your plants is to make your roots work for them. So I suggest 6 feet deep, 7 feet long, and approximately 4 feet wide. People ask me, Anarchy? And I say,
Yes?
are you ever afraid of getting incarcerated? And I say, no. Now why? No evidence. No charges. So, people ask me, Anarchy? And I say,
Yes?
when is the best time to plant? Well, first I have to tell you, when they're sleeping, when they're in the shower, and when they're taking a dump. So, if you are interested in having big, full, thick, lush gardens, no evidence, time, no charges. So, people ask me, anarchy? And I say,
Yes.
When is the best time to plant? Well, first I have to tell you, when they're sleeping, when they're in the shower, and when they're taking a dump. So, if you are interested in having big, full, thick, lush gardens, then come to me. Anarchy, guys.
Yes.
No, that's me. What's wrong with you? Weren't you listening? So, anarchy. No, it's me. I say, come to me, anarchy, and I will sell you for $12.99 a big bag of ass, and whatever else I can fit in there. And you two can have the lushest of gardens. Now, I'm going to cut this short, because I can't breathe. I can hear you laugh, but I can't see shit. No one asked you. Alright, I can tell by the sound of gunfire and the smell of tear gas in the air that the police are a little upset that I borrowed some airtime at this station. So, again, tune in next time. Same place, same channel, maybe. When you can watch me, Anarchy. Yeah, that's me, you got it. And how to hide a body. Anybody? Gardening out.